In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update download settings on iPhone. We will walk through changing where Safari saves files and then adjust your App Store download options so you stay in control of storage and data. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Look for the gray icon with gears on your home screen or in your app library. When it opens, you will see a long list of options like your name at the top, followed by common settings such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, which means you are in the right place. Now tap Apps. On many iPhones, this appears as a section in the list labeled Apps, sitting with other sections like Notifications and Screen Time. Once you tap it, you will see a list that includes Safari and the App Store, which is exactly where we want to work. Next, tap Safari. The Safari settings page will open, showing options for things like search, tabs, and privacy and security. Scroll if needed until you see the section that includes downloads. When you see that word, you know you are in the proper part of Safari settings. Tap Downloads. This opens the Safari download location screen. Here you will see the current folder selected, such as iCloud Drive or On My iPhone. Beginners are often surprised that changing this does not move old files. It only affects new downloads from this point forward. Now choose where you want Safari downloads to be saved. If you prefer your files in the cloud, select iCloud Drive. The label will highlight, and future files will go into the Downloads folder inside iCloud Drive. This keeps files available on other Apple devices signed into the same account. Or select On My iPhone to save downloads directly on your phone. Once you tap it, it becomes the active option. This is helpful if your internet is not always available because files stored on the device do not rely on a connection to open. You can also choose Other, which lets you pick another folder or location. When you tap Other, a file browser appears with folders like Downloads or any custom folders you have. Select the folder you want and confirm, and you will be returned to the download screen with that folder now listed as the location. Once your choice is set, exit Settings. You can press the Home button or swipe up to leave the app. From now on, every file you download in Safari will automatically save to the new location you selected, without any extra steps each time. If you mean app downloads, go back into Settings, then into Apps, and tap App Store. This opens the App Store settings page where you can fine-tune how apps arrive on your device. From there, you can change options such as app downloads, app updates, cellular data, and in-app content. App downloads controls whether large apps wait for Wi-Fi. App updates lets your apps refresh themselves automatically. Cellular data settings decide if downloads and updates can use mobile data. In-app content can allow apps to download extra files after installation without asking again. You have now updated both your Safari file download location and your App Store download behavior so they match how you use your iPhone. If this helped you get your downloads under control, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it. And feel free to subscribe for more iPhone how-tos.